Hello, I'm recording a short video on my answers for biodiversity. And first question was, which of the habitats had the greatest biodiversity? And for me, that was the grasslands. Does your hypothesis support this, and why? My hypothesis was that the wetter the soil, the better the plants did, and the more diverse it would be. The drier the area, like the desert, the less diversity we would see. And so it kind of supported that, of course, the agricultural one being the least. Yes, I do believe that the agricultural field is a true monoculture because the other three ran at about 0.8 something, mid-80s, and the field ran 0.14, which is extraordinarily low for diversity. Some of the major causes for loss would be water and soil, having to have a good life in the soil, and the major one, of course, being human beings. If the forest was cut down, a portion of it, the animals in that portion most likely would try to move into the other areas, and it'd be highly competitive. Those other areas, assuming they were already at capacity, would probably end up in a lot of loss of diversity of the species in there, and a loss of life. So do I think the fate described in number 4 will be the fate for all of the wildlife in the habitat? Yeah, I think that the fate would be a dramatic decline in numbers throughout the whole habitat, because you took away a portion of their living space and their food, and that's important for their survival. So thank you, and that's my opinion, and that's my findings.